I am Mansoor and I'm back with our new episode. Today we are at TENGEN High Voltage Workshop, which covers an area of 5,000 meters square. Here we produce mainly parts that are about 12 kV, 24 kV and 40.5 kV. So come on, let's have a look. Our products not only include indoor and outdoor vacuum circuit breaker, isolating switch, load switch, arrestor, and fuse, but also provide supporting medium voltage equipment such as RMU, central cabinet, compact substation that provide products and supporting solutions to many different fields. At present, our arrestor and indoor vacuum circuit breaker have realized automatic production and automatic testing. Here is our VS1 testing area. This is running in room. Here is characteristic test for VS1. And here is our power frequency withstand voltage test. Rich production lines and good quality control products. Isn't it what you want? So stay tuned, stay focused. We're coming up with much more.